Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another hot pile of garbage that is my channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. We're going to continue with my friend Pedro. Last time we had a strange little world filled with haters, and we got to try a bunch of random little items that changed the way that the world works in different ways. I don't really know what was going on or why that happened, but hey, part of the game, and it was actually kind of fun. I think we got 3 Bs. Did we get 3 Bs in a row? I think we got 3 Bs in a row. No Cs. No Cs yesterday. That's high standards to live up to. But goddamn it, we're gonna live up to them. There you are. Now let's see. What did Denny say again? Oh yeah, it was Ophelia, the dictator of the internet, who put the bounty on your head. We need to infiltrate the internet and get Ophelia off our backs. Don't worry, I have a plan. Head down to the sewage pipe, and I'll explain on the way. All right, let's get it. Let's go. My gun has no ammo in it. Shit. I hope there's no guy right off the bat. Oh my! He's pissed. This complicates things. Those are the hardest of the hardcore gamers. Decades of playing violent video games has corrupted their brains, and now the only thing they can express is violence. Nobody really knows why they all moved into the sewers. I guess since most violent video games feature a sewer section in it, it probably just kind of felt familiar. Anyway, if we go through the sewer system, we'll connect to a railway that takes us straight to the internet. Okay, I see you, game. Can I use this sword? Man, why do you have to mess up the game? That's not cool. Come on, hatest of the haters. Bang. Did you tell me to get good? Who the fuck are you? Oh, you ruined my skill chain. Oh no. Damn it, I wanted to kill him too. How do I hurt him? Fuck, I didn't know. I thought I had to kick the thing at him. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What the fuck? Jesus. Okay, well that could have gone better. Fuck. Give me a gun that's, like, decent. These are horrible. Skirt! Oh my god! He just fell through the wall. Wait, can I hit that with this? Oh shit, he has a gun. None of your counterparts had guns. It's gotta be cheating, right? Oh, that's not where I'm supposed to go. Oh, I get you. Don't even need health, I'm full still. Didn't you know, game? I got good. Okay, never mind, I suck. I still suck. I still suck. I still suck. I still suck! I still suck! Jesus sweet fucking Christ! We're fine? Didn't actually get good. That was all an illusion. I was under the impression I did, but I was very fucking wrong. Dude, though, just saying, it's another B. That was almost an A. We are kind of improving. No deaths that time. Look at your boy not dying. What you know about not dying, folks? Because I knows it all. If I had some fucking decent amount of ammo for any of these guns, 17 bullets, 8 shots, like we're living that horde pistol life. Played a video game once. Ha-cha-cha! No, go forward! What is wrong with you, you fuck? Really? That hit me? I thought I played that so well. Fucking Span, you.
Watch your profanity.
What on earth are you doing? You've been aimed at this guy for 6 fucking years. Fuck you! I was hoping maybe I would make it to that thing. I wasn't confident. It was just hopes. Oh my god, this guy's aim is just perfect. I mean, he must be a real gamer. He's gotta be. Oh, okay. Fine. Oh! You sneaky.
Watch your profanity.
Wow, nice shooting, Andrew. You never saw that one coming, did you? who needs to be fucking loaded anytime that they do shooting in this game. Not this guy. Alright, can I... This needs to work a little better. Bruh. You slowed me down with my epic boarding. Okay. Can I not get up here? What's up, gamer? Ugh. You're lucky I can't get up there to get more ammo for the weapons that I desperately need. Oh, hey. I can get up there to get the ammo for the weapons I desperately need. Surprise! Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. I'm not, like, chaining any kills, though. That's the only downside to this run. Yeah, well, who needs ammo, am I right? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Wait, let's talk. Never mind. Let's not talk, you idiot! Too easy. Yeah, that was a hard C. I was very slow. Got shot many times. The only good part of that entire run is what's showing right now on that little mini screen was my skateboarding split kill where I still landed on the board like Tony Goddamn Hawk. But it's fine. It's fine. I don't need to be a god every single time. God with consistent B ranks, I should say. Alright, we go... So retro. I didn't catch anything that guy said. Fuck, I really wanted to get the fucking multi-kill. Are you fucking for cereal? Hang the fuck on. Why the fuck does it run out so quick? I just frickin' hit the button, it's already over. Give me a damn break, game. Oh my sweet gentle Jesus. Wait, was it not still blocked? Oh my god. Ah! Okay. Okay, we'll try the other wall because this is fucking not working. Thank you. fuck off of me? What the fuck? I know how to split aim. They're all fucking running at me at the same time. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Just carry me up, please, and thank you. How do you chain together kills in levels like these? It's so hard to chain together like any kills. Nobody's like super close together, and when they are, oh shit, there's another one. I could have chained that one. That's unfortunate. No! I didn't think there'd be a fifth guy. I don't know why. I just assumed 4 was the magic number for that one. That was a little meh. It was a bit of a meh level. That's unfortunate. It's hard to get ammo in this game, but so I'm stuck using the pistol for every like level, you know what I mean? I feel like that's my downfall right now. Give me like a slightly better weapon. Maybe I can slow down time more and get some more like higher chained kills. But I got like 62,000 just for my regular kills. That's balls. I didn't go super fast through the level, but I mean, give me a fucking break. Am I right? Anyways, that's going to be it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you check me out on Twitch if you're enjoying the content. Follow all my socials. Links are in the description below. Hope you guys are having a fantastic week so far. This being Tuesday? Probably? Yeah, Tuesday. Second episode I recorded. So yeah, Tuesday. Hope you guys are having a good week. See you tomorrow. Peace out.